How to attract guys without saying anything. What you're about to learn has the potential to forever change everything that you think you know about men's attraction, and how the real world works when it comes to attracting a man without saying anything. When you're finished watching this video, you will have the seeds for a set of beliefs that can make you instantly more attractive and even irresistible to most men. And if you watch this video all the way through, I will give you a proven 4-step formula that you can use to instantly attract any man. Start. Number 1. Stand and sit properly. It is not for nothing that we were taught in our childhood to behave properly. Keeping your back straight, your chin up, and your shoulders high will give you a confident air and will not fail to distinguish you. You will certainly not go unnoticed by the man you want to attract. When you want to sit down, do it with discretion. Pull the chair smoothly, lifting it slightly to prevent it from squeaking. If you are wearing a dress or skirt, avoid opening your legs. Gather them rather than crossing them, and put your feet under the chair instead of spreading them out. Number 2. Choose an outfit that makes you feel confident. When you feel confident, you seem more attractive, which can attract guys. Wear clothing that fits you well and helps you look your best. This can help you attract attention without doing anything. Try on all of your clothes in your closet to figure out which outfits look best on you. Then designate these clothes for when you're hoping to get a guy to talk to you. Number 3. Eye contact. No matter how nervous you may feel, look at the man you are attracted to directly in the eyes. Some of the ways you can flirt with your eyes are to check him out, hold his gaze, flutter your eyelashes, or open your eyes wide. What he says and how he responds will tune you in on how to change up your expressions. Studies have also found that many people react in a positive way to direct eye contact. It grabs the other person's attention quickly and facilitates bonding and interest. Do not make eye contact for longer than 1 to 3 seconds because he might feel like you're staring. Number 4. Be relaxed. Still, in terms of posture, crossing your arms is also not recommended because it can make you seem unapproachable. It's like putting a barrier between you and the people around you. So leave your arms slightly open to look more welcoming and attractive. An effective trick that you can use to indicate that you are approachable is by putting your hands casually on your hips, or show that you are available by positioning your arms down on your sides in a relaxed way. Number 5. Show off your neck and shoulders. Showing off skin is tricky because flashing too much skin can be a turnoff to some guys. Revealing your neck and shoulders grabs their attention because your skin is bare in a non-sexual way. This makes them want to see more. Wear an outfit that makes you feel confident. For example, a low-cut top, sleeveless, or off-the-shoulder top or tank top. These will make guys want more of you. Number 6. Use the eyebrow flash trick. Let your eyes meet just long enough to let the other person know that you are interested. Avert your gaze briefly, then look back while raising both eyebrows ever so slightly. It is the flirtatious equivalent of a nonverbal hello. Number 7. Take out the seductive smile. While it is not recommended for men to use the devastating smile to seduce women, they find that it gives them a feminine air. It is the opposite for women. Indeed, a seductive smile, falsely shy, is a fatal weapon for attracting attention and seducing. Try to be as natural as possible. For the best leverage, be authentic with your smiles when showing someone that you are attracted to them and want them to approach. Remember, being unique, you will create the most beautiful smiles, whether it is an open smile, a playful smile, a seductive smile, or a chuckle. Number 8. Create a natural makeup look if you wear it. You don't need to wear makeup to get a guy's attention, so don't feel pressured to use it. If you do enjoy makeup, use it to enhance your natural beauty, but don't try out bold looks when you're trying to get a guy's attention. Most guys say they like a natural makeup look, so keeping your makeup subtle may help you attract a guy. And of course, if you're going to school, only wear makeup if it's allowed in your school's dress code. Number 9. Speak with your body language. If you want to attract a man, there are many examples of body language that you can use to communicate your feelings and intentions. Gesturing with your hands, positioning your body, licking, or parting your lips are a few strategies that you can pull off to show that you fancy the person. Number 10. Touch your hair. If men are more likely to touch their face to seduce because it draws attention to their more masculine features, women have the reflex of playing with their hair. A classic gesture, but which does not fail to have an effect every time. Wrap a wick between your fingers, throw your hair back with a skillful gesture, or discreetly place a wick behind your ear. This capillary display will have a guaranteed effect. Number 11. Choose a flattering hairstyle that makes you feel confident. Styling your hair provides a frame for your face and can bring your whole look together. Pick a hairstyle that flatters your face shape, works well with your hair texture, and is easy for you to keep up. Then, style your hair when you're going to be around guys you hope to attract. Ask your hairstylist how to keep up your hairstyle. Look at pictures in magazines and online to get inspiration for your hairstyle. Number 12. Copy his body language. Mirroring his movements and how his torso is angled is a clear body language that you are into the guy. Facing forward and pointing your feet toward his direction, you also express that your full attention is on him. Imitating the gestures of the other person or someone nearby can have a positive effect on their relationship. This technique, known as the mirror effect, consists of repeating a person's gestures without simulating them. If you spot a man you like, try to copy his movements discreetly. If he is playing with a keychain, do the same with a pen. It is important that the gestures are similar but not identical. It is known that the more a person has the same movements as us, the more we want to trust them. Number 13. Make furtive looks. Generally, women avoid the gaze of the men they want to attract. They, therefore, try to watch him discreetly by looking away each time he meets theirs. Knowing ladies, a little stealthy look or out of the corner of your eye is just enough to tell him that you are interested without overdoing it. From time to time, try to sweep your eyes around the room where you are, avoiding his gaze if you notice that he has eyes on you. Number 14. Touch yourself to make him imagine touching you. When you know a guy may be looking, subtly touch your hip, play with your necklace, or stroke your arm. This will attract a guy's attention and make him imagine touching you, which can make him approach you. Don't be obvious by touching yourself in a sexual way. It will look weird. Instead, lightly touch yourself for 2 to 3 seconds or run your fingers along your skin. Number 15. Show him your hands. Keep your hands where I can see them is a popular police department slogan. And for a good reason. Research suggests that hiding your hands inside your pockets or under the table makes it difficult for people to open up to you. On the other hand, displaying your hands to the person you are attracted to is a positive sign that you are trustworthy. If you are feeling insecure about how your hands look, apply lotion regularly and keep your nails well groomed to boost your confidence. Number 16. Break the touch barrier. Touching is a great way to flirt with a guy, including casual touches. When you're trying to attract a guy without talking to him, accidentally, grazing against him is a great way to make contact. Walk past him and lightly brush your body against him. For instance, brush past him as you walk down the hallway at school or towards the counter at a coffee shop. As another option, you could choose the seat behind or next to him. Then, lightly touch him as you sit down. Since you don't want to talk to him, it's best not to bump into him too hard. Number 17. Wait for his signal. If you have followed most of the previous steps correctly, he will certainly send you his own signals to express his interest. Pay close attention to his gestures and movements, as they could be very expressive. If you have made it this far, here is a quick and proven 4-step formula that you can use to instantly attract a guy. Step 1. Catch his gaze. You're gonna need to make eye contact with the guy, but don't do it by giving him a stare down. Step 2. Hold it. Once you've done the hard part and made eye contact, maintain it for a few seconds. That's all it takes. Remember, you want to come off as sexy, not creepy, so don't make it too long. Step 3. Shoot the smile. After you've locked eyes, keep him intrigued. Smiling is key. Don't fake it. Give him a genuine, mysterious smirk right before you return to conversing and focusing your attention on your friends. Step 4. Check up on it. After about 5 minutes, turn your attention back to where he is posted up. Is he still showing signs of interest? If so, make sure he can tell you're still interested with some more flirty smiling. Smile with your eyes, and he should be chatting you up in no time. So, what do you think about this list? Is there anything you believe we might have missed? Let us know in the comment section below.